Greetings everyone, my name is 𝐷𝐵𝐚𝐻𝐻 and I'm one of the participants in the Kibo RPC. Kibo, meaning hope in Japanese, is the inspiration behind the Kibo RPC, which was launched by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency back in 2020. The main goal is to give young students a chance to learn about the space technology and also to provide them with the platform to showcase their code and see it working aboard the International Space Station. In this video, we aim to identify the concept behind Kibo, to explain in detail the programming process, and to outline the structure of the game. We hope this video will help you understand the Kibo RPC.
The International Space Station is equipped with 𝐻𝐻𝐵 free-flying robots and in-ball camera drones. In this fifth Kibo RPC, we'll be working specifically with the 𝐻𝐻𝐵, which helps astronauts with easier tasks so that they can focus on those that can only be done by humans. Our program will have to move the 𝐻𝐻𝐵 from its starting point to 4 designated locations in the Kibo module. And at each location, it will have to read an image to identify the object that's on it. And after doing this, it will have to mark the location. It will have to do this while avoiding keep-out zones, which are areas in the station where it is not allowed to cross or move. And it will do this for all the 4 locations, and when it's done with this, it will move to an astronaut who will be on the other end of the station. The astronaut will show the 𝐻𝐻𝐵 an image of an object that he or she is looking for, and let's say, for example, it's a wrench. The 𝐻𝐻𝐵 will then have to recall where it last saw the wrench and then go to that location. It will then alert the astronaut that it has found the image by blinking a light. And all of this has to happen within 5 minutes.
It should report findings and assist the astronaut in locating the tools needed. There are 4 key phases: the application period, the simulation environment release, the preliminary round, and the final round. The simulation environment release is when participants can begin testing and building the program using a simulation environment provided by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The preliminary round is where the finalists will be selected. Each program that will have been submitted will be tested using the simulation environment. And finally, we have the final round. The final round will take place aboard the International Space Station. The programs built by the finalists will be tested using the actual 𝐻𝐻𝐵 robot in the Kibo module.
In Kibo, like from the day we began the project and up until now, we have learned and gained a lot from it, like experience and knowledge inclusive. So in participating in it, we have fun. Actually, we still have fun even now, building up projects using Java, building up projects using Android Studio, building up projects using OpenCV, building projects using also ROS, Robot Operating System. Yeah, so we have gained a lot. Otherwise, from software engineering, even in the mathematical perspective, we have learned a lot. I really didn't know up until I joined the Kibo RPC that there were actually quaternions, things called quaternions. So quaternions is just introducing rotation, 3D rotation. Yeah, so there's a lot of math in it. We have learned how to calculate the entire rotation of something that is in space. So yeah, I think it's making an impact in us. So thank you.